Hi friends, I am Yashwardhan and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to see how you can write an assembly level program for 8086 microprocessor and then test it or emulate the code using EMU 8086 microprocessor 8086 software. Now, you may first of all, in order to install this software, you need to open Google Chrome and in the search bar you can type EMU 8086 download and wait for the site to load. Then you need to click on this first link, click on download EMU 8086, or you can go to here and click on download option. Wait a minute, yes. Yeah, you need to click on this. Whenever it is coming here, click on the download option after loading it, and after that you can follow the instructions in order to install this software. Now whenever you open this software, you will see an interface like this. Here you need to select, you have new, which will create a new file, code example, which will show you some basic example which are already inbuilt in the emulator. Then you can click on quick starter tutorial in order to see a small introduction tutorial on how to use this software. In recent files you will see all the files that you have already created. Now click on new file in order to create a new workspace. In this it will ask you different templates. If you want, you can use any template, or you can select empty workspace and click OK. Now let me maximize this thing. Now today I am going to be executing a simple code of loading your 8086, loading the different registers like AX register and BX register that are present in 8086 microprocessor with some hexadecimal value. So to do this, first of all I will write an instruction like move AX, comma, let us say the hexadecimal number which I want to store in this is 1835, and as we know that whenever you write any number in the assembly language program for 8086 microprocessor, we understand this number is always in hexadecimal number only, but in the EMU 8086 emulator you need to specify that as capital H in order to indicate it as hexadecimal, otherwise it will give you an error. Now let me write another instruction like move BX, comma, let us say A375 hexa. Now when I click on emulate, it will show there are some errors. This is because whenever you want to store a number, that is store a hexadecimal number whose value is starting with an alphabet, you need to include type 0 in the starting. Similarly, now let me add the CX register and I will be storing 005 on it, hexa. Similarly, let me add the next command, which is nothing but DX register also, and I want to store some number like A265, and as this is you can keep a 0 here and you can keep hexa. Now you click the save button and select the folder where you want to store your file. Like I am going to desktop. In third year, in extra I am storing it. Rename your file, or you can keep it as my code and click save. Then you click on emulate in order to emulate your code. If there are any errors in the code, it will show that errors. If there is no error, it will show this window. In this window, if you observe, you have load option in order to load some file which you want to execute. Reload, that is you can start executing the same function from starting, then single step which executes only one step at a time, run which execute the whole program at a time. Now and this represents all the different registers that we are having in 8086 microprocessor, and this is the memory location. And here if you observe, these are the 4 instructions that I am having. Now whenever move AX comma 1835 hexa is highlighted, you'll observe here 3 memory locations are also highlighted, which indicates that this instruction takes 3 memory locations in order to execute. And in this instruction, this part is the physical address, this one is the opcode. What do you mean by opcode, you may ask me? Opcode is nothing but a machine readable format. Like when we write move AX comma 1835, we understand that we want to store this number in AX register. But for the machine to understand, we need to convert this code into opcode. That is, this is the opcode of it. That is, the opcode for this statement, this instruction move AX comma 1835 hexa is BA3518. In this B8 is the unique opcode for move AX register, move AX instruction. This 35 is the lower byte and 18 is the higher byte. Now when I click on before the execution, you will observe that the AX register is showing 00. Now when I click on this execute, now you can observe that 1835 is stored in AX register. Now here move BX this instruction is highlighted, and you observe it also takes 3 memory location and it is having an opcode like BB7583. This BB is a unique opcode for move BX. Now when I run it, you will observe now BX register values are changed to 8375. Now the third instruction move CX, 005 hexa is selected, and these are the memory locations corresponding to it, and its opcode is B90500. That is, move CX has a opcode like B9. Next, when I click on this, you can observe that this is the memory location is selected for this instruction, and the move DX command instruction is having an opcode like BA, and this whole instruction is having BA65A2 as its opcode. Now if I click on single step, all these lines will also be executed. Now, but that's not the case that we want. We want to end the execution after this step. So to do this, after you write your code, you need to type a command like HLT, which indicates that, and click on save, and then click emulate. Now you can observe whenever after move DX is executed, it will go to halt line, which is having an opcode like F4, and now whenever I run it, our emulator is halted. Now you can observe our register values have changed, and also we have the opcodes required. Now I hope friends you have understood how to write a simple basic code in basic assembly language code for 8086 microprocessor, and how you can emulate or test your code in using EMU 8086 emulator software. If you have any doubts about using this software, please feel free to comment that down below, and I will answer in the comment section. If you want to discuss your problem, you can even write a mail. You can also mail me your program at the mail ID specified in the description. If you want me to do a specific video on any topic related to electronics, you can also comment that down below, and I will make a video on that topic. Now if you like my explanation, friends, please like this video, share it with your friend, and do subscribe my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel to see more such videos. And thanks for watching, friends, and have a nice day, and I will meet you again in a new video with a new concept. Thanks, friends, and have a nice day.